The last one that I am going to discuss is a very short and simple part of your research, which is the definition of terms, or sometimes called the operational definition of variables. So why it is called operational definition of variable? On the latter part of the report, you will know why it is called like that. So let's start by defining the definition of terms. Definition of terms is usually an annex to a work, usually found in a book, research paper, pamphlets, and etc. Either at the beginning or more likely near the end with a list of acronyms, jargons, credits, and etc. This is an important part of research paper or report is that in which the key or important terms in the study are clearly defined. There are two types of definition, the theoretical definition and the operational definition. So let's define theoretical definitions. Theoretical definitions are basic dictionary definition. They are frequently called constitutive or conceptual definitions. A theoretical definitions gives meaning to the concept or construct under investigation. It should distinguish it from all other concept or construct. A theoretical definition assumes both knowledge and acceptance of the theories it depends upon. For example, a theoretical definition for the concept customer satisfaction is often defined as the degree to which a customer experience with a product or service conforms to his or her expectation and the ideal experience. The other one is the operational definition. Operational definition define an object, event, variable, concept, or construct in terms of specific processes, tests, and measurement used to determine its presence or quantity. Operational definition transforms theoretical definition into observable events. This is because an operational definition states which characteristic will be measured in the assignment of a value to the concept of construct under study. Operational definition from the basis for the research question, hypothesis, and the theories associated with the research. If a researcher is concerned about levels of brand satisfaction, the researchers could ask customers to rate their experiences with this brand and competitive brands on a 5-point scale. Very satisfied, satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, and very dissatisfied. In writing research paper definition of terms, is not the same as getting the definition of terms from dictionary or Wikipedia. Its meaning was based on how it was used in the research. That is why it is called operational, while the term variable refers to the elements which are critical to the research. It is so important that this variable can seen and should be reflected in your research title. The last one is the guidelines in defining terms. First, only terms, words, or phrases which have a special or unique meaning in the study are defined. For instance, the term non-teaching facilities may be used in the study of the teaching of science. Non-teaching facilities may be defined as facilities needed by the student and teachers but are not used to explain the lesson or to make these instructions clearer. Examples are toilet or comfort room, electric fans, restroom or lounges, and the like. They may also be called non-instructional facilities. Other one, the terms should be defined operationally. That is how they were used in the study. For instance, a study is made about early marriage. What is meant by early marriage? To take the meaning clear, early marriage may be defined as one in which the contracting parties are both below 18 years of age. Another one is that research may develop his own definition from the characteristic of the terms defined. Thus, a house of light material may be defined as one with bamboo or small wooden post, nipa, buri, or nipa walls, split bamboo floor, and kogon or nipa roof. This is also an operational definition. Another one, definition may be taken from encyclopedias, books, magazine, and newspaper articles, dictionary, and other publication, but the researchers must acknowledge his sources. Definitions taken from published material are called conceptual and theoretical definitions. Number 5, definition should be brief, clear, and unequivocal as possible. Another one, acronym should always be spelled out fully, especially if it is not commonly known or if it is used for the first time. The last one, the term should be written alphabetically. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. Good morning and stay safe.